Welcome. You've made it here, and that's more than enough for now. Let's begin by letting go of the need to do, fix, or change anything. For the next few moments, your only job is to be. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Allow your body to settle. Let your hands rest, your shoulders drop. Now gently bring your attention to the breath. Don't force it, just notice it. Feel the inhale, feel the exhale. Let it all happen naturally. Let's sit in the pause between breaths. That small, quiet space right after you inhale, and again after you exhale. Pause. Feel the stillness. Let it stretch. This pause is a place of peace. You don't need to rush through it. You don't need to fill it. Let it be what it is. Quiet, open, and safe. If thoughts come in, that's okay. Let them pass like clouds. Then return gently to the pause, the stillness. There's nothing to prove here. Nothing to push, just breath, pause, breath. Now try this breathing for 5 minutes alone. Inhale slowly through your nose, then holding your breath, holding as long as possible. Then exhale out your mouth slowly. Then repeat until time is up. Begin. Remember, the key is to hold your breath as long as possible. Don't struggle, just holding until your body says, exhale. Sitting in the pause activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps lower stress hormones, calm the mind, and regulate the body's natural rhythms. You're halfway. Notice the silence around you. One minute left. Stay here for a few more moments in stillness. Let your nervous system soften. Let your heart rest. Now take a slightly deeper breath in and slowly exhale it all out. Move your feet, your arms, nod your head. Bring gentle movement back to your body. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Remember, peace isn't always something you chase. Sometimes it's waiting in the quiet places you rarely visit. Come back to this whenever the world feels too loud. There is peace in the pause.